Alright guys, what's up? We are in the we're in a New Holland CR 8.90 2020. Yep. Give me a second. Let me focus real quick. Doing my side of the corn. Got 155 bushels in the tank right now. It's weighing about 9,000. Yeah, there you go, 9,000 pounds. Got 1 acre out. So yeah, I mean, we're doing end rows, so it's probably not the best, you know. Oh shoot. Going, cruising at 4.5. Everything looks good. Little sieve loss, but I do have on. Oh my gosh. Oh, 3/4 just went off. Okay, so kind of sucks because all right, guys. I'm gonna open my deck plates a little more to let the flow of corn go through a lot faster, but by doing that, ears will fall out. So corn. Alright, let's float it. And I don't know what's going on with the outside row. It's like, okay, never mind. Set it back to the regular deck plates. We are cruising now. We are not cruising. Oh my gosh. This is what I hate about end rows. You figure out what's going on. See, this is what I'm dealing with right here. And this corn's down, so I try to keep the head down, but kind of, I'll keep commentating. Actually, is there a place I can put this? So that's good enough. Okay, open them all the way up. See that little yellow bar down there? That's my deck plates. I have 45 right now. That's the max. Even though it shows 55, I wasn't even go to 55. See, I don't know what's going on. Okay. Let me reverse the head. Of course, everything started to go wrong when the camera comes on. Dude, everything was going fine. Chains are moving over there. It's against the terrace. That sucks. Alright, well, I got my deck plates all the way open. I have no idea what that was. It's coming. Oh yeah, we got it, guys. I almost have it at 35. Usually I have it at 25, but they're end rows and they're not gonna be the best. With the, like, I have no idea what I just said about not being the best. Should be able to get to that. Because this is a 410 bushel drain tank. And I have 250 bushels in her. The 3/4 went off at like 165, so I don't know. I don't know why it went off that early. thing looks like it's going good now. My corn's really slowing down. Holy. Okay. We are nearing the 300 mark. 275 bushels right now. Hopefully I make it. Hopefully no cab corn. Ignore that. Just because there's the code for the air compressor, it wasn't building enough air. It's because the air tips we have, they leak a little bit. We're gonna get that fixed, but not really. It's not now. We're gonna start harvest already. I think it's the last. Oh my gosh! I did not see that, guys. How long is this going on? Oh, I guess you can't see it from the bar. Oh my gosh! The grain bin foliage went off. 310. I thought it was 410 bushels. Maybe it's off a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna try to go a little bit more. Okay. Well, that's a problem. He's gonna. Ever gonna get to that? Holy. Let's just turn off the combine then. Just reverse it. Hopefully it goes out. Or it goes in. You know what? I'm gonna try to feed it in. Maybe not. Try reversing it. What the heck is that? What is that noise? It's never done that before. Oh, and I'm like right there dead. Alright, there you go. It's cleared out. I know I'm getting cab corn. I know I'm getting cab corn. At least one of these times. It's probably gonna be this time. My grain bin's been full for a while. Alrighty, I guess we did not get cab corn this time, which is good. Gotta dodge these bales. I want to get out and see how much corn's in the bin. Great thing. Yeah, we currently got 340 bushels. Yeah, couldn't have gone much farther. Already cab corn from before. Put that in the head. Alright. Let's dump her on out. 1974 reset, just reset bushel counter. I'm gonna keep weight counter same. Gonna need to turn my seat heater on pretty soon. It's a little chilly out. Oh wait, do I have my all the trash? Do I have my oh, we got one in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These are amazing. The caramel, the chocolate caramel. Oh my gosh, they're so good. You see, it's not yielding the best, not like how I want it, but they're doing pretty good, honestly. For the looks, and the end rows aren't gonna do the best. It's yielding about what, like 200. But yeah, all I did is fertilize, or the only fertilizer I did is the anhydrous, and that's about it. I think on this one. But yeah, we got about 100 bushels in there. There it is. This combine is actually set up for automation, fully automation, but the dealership called, we call them because it's throwing corn out the back end, and the dealership said it's the Revelation series. They throw corn out of the back, and once they're on automation mode, they don't know why yet, because it didn't happen last year. I don't know. But I just have it off on my automation mode. It's working perfectly fine. Except for this corn head. Nah, just kidding. This corn head's actually been working pretty good. But no, yeah, we ran it, and there really isn't much corn loss. Like, you'll see a couple kernels here and there, but like that cob, like that's just laying on the ground. I can't pick that up. Alright guys, this is my third load off this field. The first one's full, but these other two are 3/4. I'm gonna go try to fix that, see what's wrong. I don't know why it's doing that. I moved the combine back and forth, try to shake it a little bit, but it still didn't come down. Oh my gosh, dude! That is crazy! That is crazy! Holy! That is crazy! Holy! Oh my gosh, out in the middle of the field? No way! Ah. Oh yeah! Oh! I didn't even see that! Oh my gosh, that's crazy! Holy! Yeah, you're getting tossed over here. Holy! Think I can make it? Okay, maybe not. Oh my gosh! I didn't even think that was like... Oh, I'm so glad I didn't go in. Alright guys, we're 12 acres in. Working really good. I don't even see any corn on the ground, which is very good. Our yield right now is, second, it's 137. It's probably off a little bit because it just slowed down. Because once it slows down, it slows the motion of the corn, so it doesn't like, it slows the rate. Okay, so it slows how fast the corn goes in there because you slow down, and it thinks you're still going that same speed. So like it shows a little lower number. See, now it's 170. I mean, this isn't the best corn, probably like 180 right here because we're on a hill. So I bet you when I got on the top of the hill, it's probably 200. See, it's 191 already. But yeah, I mean, it's looking pretty good. Everything's looking good. Everything's working good. We got low stiff loss. I'm not even gonna touch that because I don't know. I really don't want to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh, I'm happy with that. Ooh. I don't know why it shows I'm skipping a little bit, like right there. That's a terrace right there. It's a big one, but I don't know. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. Oh, moisture. Fuel economy. Oh, whoa. Whoa, what is that right there? I'll look at that later. Coverage. Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh, my grain bin's full. Oh no. 340. Did we get cab corn? I think I got a little bit. I gotta unload it. Turn on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah. I don't even see that. Okay, there's the one, but that one is laying on the ground. I can see that. That was under a whole bunch of stuff. I don't see nothing unless you guys see something. Actually, let's zoom in. I can see better too. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's looking clean on the ground. Woo! Oh yeah. That makes me feel good. I'm not wasting any corn. Got my oh my gosh, what are they called? Deck plates set at they're 25 to 35. Because once I go 25 like that, they work for like one round, and then the next round like they start plugging up because like I don't know, they must be too close together. So I usually I just lifted the head up a little bit. I usually have it around 25, 35. Sometimes I just keep it at 35. I don't go much wider because you're supposed to, a lot of people, they get their rows lined up and then they close the deck plates on the corn and then open it just a little bit after that to get their amount or get their deck plate set. Oh yeah. Looking good. It looks clean. I gotta reset this. I wish I would automatically reset. There probably is a way to make it automatically reset. Alright guys, got that loaded up. Pretty good. Just waiting for the cart to come down. Well, not really. I'm gonna go combine a load. Just emptied on her. So yeah, everything's looking good. Moisture 15.9 last I harvested. Averaging 15.4. About 20 acres out. Yeah, 19.67. I mean, it's not looking too bad. We got 3,149 bushels out of this field. But we still got a couple. We still got a couple acres. Probably like 5. I don't know. We'll see.